Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at the Copy Faces command. I'll begin by creating a solid, a box. Now I'm going to create a hole. I'll use the cylinder tool. Something like this. Solid subtract next. Solid to subtract from, right-click. Solid to subtract, and right-click. Here is our hole. Let's activate the Copy Faces command. It's also under the Extrude Faces flyout. And I'll select the faces I want to copy first, these three faces. Right-click and enter to finish my selection. Next, we're prompted for the base point. Let's activate ortho mode. Snap to the back corner as my base point, and let's choose the copy to point. And here is our copy. Press escape to exit the tool. Let's activate the extrude command. Select this face. Right-click and enter to finish my selection. For the height of the extrusion, I'm going to snap to this point. Lastly, let's make a hole through this solid. Activate the slice command. Select the solid. Right-click to finish my selection. Now the start point of the slicing plane, right-click and select Surface. Let's click on our cylindrical hole. And lastly, we select the objects to keep. I'll select my box. Let's change the view style to realistic so you can get a better sense of what we've just done. And here we've made a copy of our solid. This concludes our tutorial about using the Copy Faces command.